passwords are used for everything. We use them to access our money, any critical information regarding our health, and even everyday applications for our day-to-day routines, including our communication and social media tools. Basically, everything we care about. With cybercriminals and account takeovers on the rise, it comes at no surprise that protecting these kinds of accounts with the type of verification process to ensure that the user is who they say they are is very important. This is where two-factor authentication comes in, also known as 2FA, a security process in which users provide two different authentication factors to verify themselves, usually their phone and a randomly generated PIN code sent either via a text or voice message. While it may seem simple to implement phone verification yourself, it's not actually that seamless. First, you need to address any deliverability issues. How do you make sure that critical messages like two-factor authentication are delivered immediately? Have you taken carrier filtering into consideration, as well as the ever-changing country regulations and restrictions? Are the routes you're using optimal, or are they incorporating a lot of hops before reaching the final destination? These are all questions you need to ask yourself, not to mention all of this logic would need to be built out by your developers. Luckily, Plivo takes care of all of this on your behalf. The carrier rules, the country regulations, and security measures, everything. And we replace all of those potential development hours into a few simple API calls, so that your message will always be sent to the end user no matter where they are in the world. Plivo works directly with in-country Tier 1 carriers with direct interconnectivity to local telecom network operators in over 190 countries. These relationships enable our customers to make calls and send SMS to every country in the world without any kind of route blending. Using our AI-powered dynamic routing algorithm, we proactively route SMS to ensure optimal message delivery by using more direct carrier connections and fewer SMS aggregators. With high deliverability, configurable fallback between SMS and voice, and a pay-as-you-go pricing model, companies of all sizes turn to Plivo to help them deploy two-factor authentication internationally. You can rest assured knowing that Plivo is a reliable, scalable phone number authentication solution that will help you secure accounts, prevent takeovers, and protect high-value transactions. Interested in learning more? Sign up or talk to one of our account representatives today.